Please.
The ceremony is about to start.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand for the Board of Directors of Archuleta County School District 50 Joint and the administration and the faculty of Pagosa Springs High School.
High School's graduating class of 2026. We'll first recognize the salutatorians. First, Reeve Wyron Bellarmino. Graduates seated before you have met or exceed the requirements of graduation from Pagosa Springs High School.
Principal O'Donnell, Principal Jordan, and Superintendent Holt.
Joseph Ryan Matney. Camden Alexander Hernandez. Reeve Wyron Bellarmino. Reina Rose Manzanares. Liliana Sophia Davis. Aaliyah Renee Hibbert. Colton Michael.
You understand
I encourage each and every one of you to consider looking around and appreciating this community, the teachers, parents, coaches, faculty, and others who have supported us to get to today. Appreciate these figures who have challenged us for excellence during this arduous yet necessary journey. Appreciate the small corner of the world you perhaps found solace in over these last 4 years, and cherish whatever places and people may enter our lives after today. It's been a long time coming, and I doubt any of us are the same people we were 4 years ago. While I'm sure high school isn't the best time in our lives, I hope we can all agree our time as pirates had only fueled our curiosity. Whether it was participating in sports, delving into the arts, being in student council, FBLA, or whatever activity, big or small, it was our curiosity that helped push us. Our curiosity helped shape the people we are today and our unique perspectives, creating an important foundation for who we want to be tomorrow. And such unique perspectives have brought us here today, united as a community. So as we go our separate ways, remember the importance of curiosity in who you are today and who you may be tomorrow. But for now, let's celebrate this moment and cherish the next to come. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Good, Warren.
You're proud of the baby. The baby anymore.
Proud family. There you go.
Having party with Syra.
Never heard about.
Yeah.
I'm left in the dark always.
No, I keep telling her. Yeah. What? Kung gusto lang sa driver ba na kinanglan na kay card. Oh. Niya, di ko mo siya kay kabalo itong English. Iyak lang siya, balik siya dito. Dahil tawagan mo sa kuan. Kaya di pa siya kabalo kayong English.